Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to update Claude app. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. Now I'm here on Google Play Store. Let's tap on the search at the bottom. Let's go to the search bar and search for Claude. From here, tap on Claude app. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it so that you will be able to update Claude application. Once you update the app, all the bugs issues will be fixed and you will be getting latest features on the application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.